You should be coming to see me while you haven't handed them in, because they were due, I think, yesterday, right? So you should be handing your lots in. Don't lose marks just because you didn't hand.
For you, Rob, she said it's okay. You don't have to hand your lot in. But she does expect you to place something else in.
Thank you. As we now start the second act of our show on side 2. Showtime. Okay, here we go. This crowd is incredible. 120,000 people. All I can say is, oh, this is a good place to be. You better believe it.
Be the lowest of the low. We are not a nation in decline.
That's what you think, buddy.
Don't take him for granted. What?
Gentlemen, the Beatles. Interesting. This is called I Dig a Pygmy by Charles Horsley on the Decades. Phase 1, in which Doris gets her oats.
We've got here is failure to communicate.
I don't think we do that one.
No, we don't do that one. Well, I'm interested. Right now, we're going to go back. We can miss time. The time they called the 60s.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah.
How can I tell?
9.5 inches.
Huh?
9.5 inches or
9.5 inches of what? Ego?
I have a dream. But one day, this nation will rise up
And get stoned.
How was the trip over? Did y'all get bored on the flight, or do you have things that usually keep you entertained that y'all were doing? Well, hook up the stove. All right. No, I know you're only kidding.
You are a partly bad boy for what you did last night.
Partly because by then we were smoking marijuana for breakfast. We were well into marijuana. I know they could communicate with us. We were just so blazed out, giggling all the time. He said, shut up, we don't care. We don't want to know. He kept going on about it.
It's 11 o'clock. Do you know where your parents are?
I got blisters on my Number 9. Number 9.
He's dreaming.
9.
We all have dreams.
Number 9.
What's your dream?
9.
Can you take me back where I came from? Can you take me back?
Maybe.
Can you take me back where I came from? Brother, can you take me back?
Up the womb.
Bravo! Bravo! Encore! Encore!
Encore! Almost on it. Oh, look at them Americans eat. I am he, as you are he, as you are me, as we are all together now.
All together now.
All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now.
Is there anyone else who wants to play?
Can you dig in my Georgie one? And now we'd like to do All the Angels Come.
Danny boy, the old Savannah calling.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We've done 4 already, but now we're steady and steady.
Marcy and her man, he's called himself down. Some Charles Manson stole from the Beatles, with the other fight.
I need to see a shrink. Now tell me why. Because I...
Don't believe in voting, don't believe in rules. And every time she passes by, wild folks escape.
And you wanted to sing in the church choir?
Mom, don't quit your day job.
You know where this whole thing's going, don't you, Rob?
Man, I feel 10 pounds lighter.
The recipe for my turkey is so great, John. The flavor's phenomenal. Are you willing to share it with Canada? Oh, by heavens, yeah, I am, because it's really great and easy.
You want to know what's easy? That blonde down the street. Here, let me get your number. What? I did it. It's all set for tomorrow.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's in a happy medium.
Well, I kind of lost it when I asked her for the sexual favors. This world is so beautiful, so peaceful, so loving.
In Los Angeles today, comedian Lenny Bruce died of what was believed to be an overdose of narcotics. Bruce was 42 years old. In Chicago, Richard Stack, accused murderer of 9 student nurses, was brought before a grand jury today for indictment. The nurses were found stabbed and strangled in their Chicago apartment. In opposition to the war in this country is the greatest single weapon working against the U.S. That's the 7 o'clock edition of the news. Good night.
What were they singing?
And they all sing the same refrain. It's fun to take a trip. Join the gang. Put acid in your veins.
I wonder if Lucy's inspired by acid.
Okay, so Lucy wasn't inspired by acid.
Sandra then invented marijuana, and somebody gave it to us and we smoked it.
Take this, brother. May it serve you well.
You become naked.
Man, enough of this! I want to hear some guitars! Oh man, we need an amplifier! Plug the guitar into an amplifier!
Want to know something? I got Hitler in this room. Hitler! I believe it! Did you know? I'm serious!
Tickets on sale now.
How am I supposed to make any sense of this at all?
Feels like Friday night.
But it ain't, man!
Welcome to your long weekend.
You want something that's long? Look between my... That's Russian for look between my thighs. And you thought I wasn't gonna say it. Can't you see this is coming to go nowhere? As I sit here waiting for the end of the tape. This was taped March 30th and March 31st, 1994.